How to limit who sees your LinkedIn activity. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about limiting your activity on LinkedIn. So now let's get started. So I'll be demonstrating this on desktop, but you can also do it on your phone as the steps are very similar. First of all, you have to go to linkedin.com and then log into your specific account. After that, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Look for the Visibility tab on the left side and then click on it. That is just below the Sign in and Security option. Now click on Manage Active Status. That is in the Visibility of your LinkedIn Activities section. Click on it. Here you can choose who can see your active status. I recommend setting it to no one so others cannot see when you're currently active on LinkedIn. And that's how you can hide your activity, or you can limit who can see your LinkedIn activity. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.